In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check OneNote version. Knowing exactly which OneNote version you're running helps with troubleshooting, following tutorials accurately, and confirming that you have the latest features and fixes. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the quick, reliable way to find your version and build number using the desktop edition of OneNote, sometimes called the OneNote Desktop app or the app that comes with Microsoft 365. Start by opening the OneNote app on your computer. If you see more than one OneNote icon on your device, choose the one that's part of the Microsoft 365 or Office suite. Once OneNote is open, go to the top left corner and click the File tab. This takes you to what Microsoft calls the Backstage view, where you manage settings, accounts, and app information. On the left side, select Account. This area brings together details about your Microsoft account and your application's product information. Look for the Product Information section on the right. There you'll see About OneNote. This is the key spot that shows your exact version and build number. In many setups, the version and build appear right there. If you see About OneNote as a link or button, select it to open a small window that displays the full version details. The version often looks like a yearless identifier or a 4-digit channel number, followed by a long build number, which is helpful to share when contacting support or comparing against release notes. If you need to reference it later, jot the version and build down or take a quick screenshot. That makes it easy to verify whether your environment matches instructions you find online or requirements from your IT team. If you prefer to work in a browser, you can go to the OneNote web experience at onenote.cloud.microsoft. The web version is always up to date behind the scenes and typically doesn't present a detailed build number the way the desktop app does. That's normal, and it simply means the server handles updates for you. To recap, the path is straightforward. Open OneNote on your desktop, select File, choose Account, and check About OneNote under Product Information to see the exact version and build. With that information in hand, you'll be able to follow guides confidently, communicate clearly with support, and confirm that you're using the features intended for your specific release. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to find your OneNote version.